Top 20 this month. Special thanks goes out to you guys for helping support the site. You all got a guaranteed spot into the break. You got Anthony, Ben, Charlie, Chris, Colby, Derek, Ed, Francis, Jason, Jeremy, Keith, Mark, Marquita, Matt, Fong, Ricky, Sean, Steve, and Tyler. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to randomize the random list. The top 12 names after the random will get in. Good luck, everyone. We'll randomize 5 times. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or 5. Alright, top 12. Congrats to Bob, Ian, Ben, Mike, David, Greg, Javier, Jose, Bill, Thomas, Steve, and Kent. Where am I going? Top 20 list. Here we go. Alright, what we'll do now is we'll randomize the names for the teams. Grab them. Alright. Let's randomize. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's our team list. With a free 3-box break. Congrats to everybody who got in. Time for me to pick the boxes. I don't want to break any contenders right now, so I'm not going to put that in. Let's do a box of 2012 Crown Royal. Box of Absolute. And we'll add in a playbook and 2 Prime Sigs. I got a pack of Prime Sigs and then another box. So it's 5-box break this month. Hot rookies. Man, I think everybody'd be mad if I put hot rookies in. Sure, guys? I can trade hot rookies. Playbook. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck. See what's in this pack. Prime 6 pack. $4.99. Jones Drew. Collins 99. Oh, I like it. Steve Bartkowski. 8/59. Nice. For the Falcons, Keith picking up a nice one. $4.99, William Perry. Bartkowski. I don't think Jeremy's on right now, Brady. Hot cookies. We got Terrell Davis, $4.99. Torian, $99. And we got a redemption, $2.42. Dickerson, $4.99. Let me grab the $2.42. Got a Jarrell Jerrigan, $2.42 for the Giants. Anthony. Box of playbook. There's some hot rookies for you. Terrence West, 8 of 20. Can only find this one in playbook for the Browns. And we got a Sammy Watkins jumbo jersey. Nice pull for the Bills there. $1.99. Pretty solid stuff so far. Crabtree, Zach Martin rookie. Got a Darkwood at 99. Got an Andy Dalton. We got a Savage, Freeman, Bridgewater, Thomas. That'll go to the Vikings. We got an Andrews to 99. Kendall Wright jersey to 249. Nice Brandon Flowers. Never see this guy for the Chargers. Matt Ryan, 249. Benjamin, 249 quad. And I saw that cap. Nice jumbo jersey, 249. All right. Brown. Come on, Andrew Luck, Russell Wilson, RG3. Silhouette auto patch would be nice. We got a Jay Cutler. 99. We got a Terrence Ganaway for the Rams. 249. 245. Janoris Jenkins. 399. Alex Smith. Sean Green. And T. Rich. Jumbo auto patch for the Browns. Dontero Poe, 149. Foster Ingram. Oh wow. Ryan Matthews purple short print, 25. And we got a Bryce Brown rookie auto for the Eagles. Pretty nice. Luke Kuechly rookie, 399. Cobb and Wallace. Lewis, and we got a Egnew rookie jersey. The Dolphins. That's the 149. Fred Davis, 149. Palmer and Ware. Alright, gotta do it for the free 3-boxer. Love that Barkowski. No luck on the luck. T. Rich, that used to be a mega hit. Free 3-box. Alright. I think we did all the breaks that are sold out except for NT. No problem, Brady. Alright, we got NT 6970 coming up. 7172. Last chance to get into those, guys. All on Super. Last two boxes of this case. We'll get into the first two, and then that'll be it. Unless we can get those two done. Alright, box one, number 69, the new batch of NT. Got me excited. NT actually went up in cost with this new batch. Nobody's got the Colts. I need to list the Colts. Alright. And the Bears is Charlie. Yep, there it is. Hawks card collect.